Project 2 Mask Roller Press Modeling. Task 3 Modeling of the Tooth Roller. Lecturer, Chen Xiaoyun. Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will complete the mask roller press tooth modeling of the tooth roller. The function of the tooth roller is to print an indentation the mask cloth by using the knife teeth on the roller. As a mechanical engineer in the future, we must establish strict quality consciousness. Product quality is the core competitiveness of enterprises. Follow standards, do a good job in details, and pay attention to details reflects our professional attitude. Therefore, in the process of part modeling, we must control every detail. Through drawing analysis, we divide the tooth roller into the following parts. 1. Cylindrical roller. 2. Knife teeth. For each component structure, our modeling scheme is as follows. 1. Cylindrical roller, constructed using sketch and revolve. 2. Plane hobbing part 1, constructed using sketch, mirror curve, array curve, and extrude. 3. Plane hobbing part 2, constructed using sketch, text, mirror curve, and extrude.e. 4. Plane hobbing part 3, constructed using sketch, array curve, extrude, and trim body. The hobbing plane view has been constructed, and the plane will be rolled below. 5. Cylindrical hobbing. By creating a stretch plane, revolve the surface, and then deform the plane hobbing into cylindrical hobbing through the overall deformation command. 6. Cylindrical hobbing integration. The hobbing is integrated through mirror feature, sum and replace surface commands. We will divide the tooth roller into 2 parts to explain, and learn the first part in this class. Next, we will open the UG software and go through the modeling process of reading drawings, drawing, correcting errors, refining to master the method of tooth roller modeling. Please pay attention to cultivating the professional qualities of precision, diligence, standardization, and innovation. Open UG. Let's learn how to draw a tooth roller. Click on New. Choose the modeling method, tooth roller. Folder. Select position of tooth roller documents. Click on OK. In Browse, drag in the picture of the tooth roller here. Let's look at the figure of the tooth roller. There are many types of tooth shapes. One is the ring tooth of the circumference and KN95 logo tooth, as well as other transverse teeth, helical teeth followed by some small teeth. In this class, only the ring teeth and array teeth are introduced, and creation method of KN95 logo tooth. We found that it's an offset line of the contour line, drawn in drawing file of knife roller. Then we don't need to redraw this drawing file, only need to copy this sketch. In drawing file of knife roller, open the drawing file of knife roller. Find the sketch of the knife roller here. Right-click and select Copy. Back to the model drawing file of tooth roller. Select Edit from the menu. Find the Paste command. Click on OK. The sketch has been copied in. Right-click Sketch Display. Let's look at the drawings. According to the drawings, we're going to build 2 parts. One is a cylinder, and each area of tooth profile. There is another one that is shaft. Shaft has been introduced in the previous example. This example will not be repeated here. Let's draw this column in the middle first. As for this cylinder, we use the method of revolve. Click on Sketch. Select the default XY plane when rotating. Click on OK. Straighten. At this time, pay attention that the rotary axis of cylinder is vertical, and follow this tooth profile in the drawings. That is, the directions of the axes are consistent. Length. In the last example, we calculated that the length was 145. Mark the dimensions. This line's center is falling on x-axial. The line is in a collinear relationship with the middle x-axis. Let the cylinder be located in the center of the whole tooth roller. Finish sketch. Select Revolve. Click Revolve. Select Curve. Specify vector direction. This is the axis of rotation, parallel to this line direction. Specify the location of the point. This line goes down half the diameter, that is. The z direction, position of 75 divided by 2. OK. Rotate 360 degrees. Finish. This is the roller section in the middle of the drawing. Do the tooth type again. As for this sketch of tooth type, we have copied outer ring curve in. Click on Sketch. Determined on the default plane. Straighten. Align it with the view on the drawing. It is convenient for us to read the picture. The tooth type of the array line is this line through the outer ring. Offset 5.2 inward. Find offset curve. Select the line as tangent curve mode. Click on it. Offset 5.2 inward. Click on OK. This sketch outside can be hidden at this time. Look at the drawings again. This array line's starting point is from 60.34. So we make a straight line. Position of the straight line. Its distance from axis center is 60.34. So the distance is 60.34. Right-click as a structural line. F8. First straighten. We need painting this one inside. Small teeth. Take a look at the enlarged view. Initial small teeth along the line. Then 150 copies of array. Get these ring teeth around the circle. So, we need to put these two small teeth first drawn out. Click the rectangle command. Use 3 points to draw the rectangle. Rectangle R. This line is parallel to the middle line. Pass the other part of it through mirror image command. Get. Select the connecting curve mode. Mirror center line. This line is set here. Be careful not to convert the center line into a reference. Cancel it and click on OK. Then, according to the drawings, annotate dimensions. This line to the position of this line. We can see from the drawing that this is 1. The other two lines are at 4. Width of the place is 1. Let's look at the position of its starting point again. Is the center of the two lines. The position of the connection line falls on the line of 60.4. So let's start with a middle line. Find the intersection. The command to find the point. Click point. The selection method is intersection point. Select two lines. Find the intersection point. Then constrain position. Click this point, select two lines. Select point on line constraint. A sketch of this time. Its required dimensions has been completed. It's also on the sideline. We're going to mirror this line. Take the length of the array line in the middle. Click Mirror Curve. Select this line. Center line is X central axis. OK. Sketch finished. Finish sketch. After completing the sketch, you need to take out the length of the middle line. Click Menu, Insert. Find associated replication. Extract geometric feature, compound curve. Note that here, we should put the tangent curve beside. Stop open at the intersection. Select tangent curve. Take out the length of the whole line together. Click on OK. Then put this line. Go along the compound curve array just now. Get this ring tooth. And find Array Geometric Feature command. Select mode. We choose the connecting curve mode. Choose two rectangular frame. The way to choose here in the layout is to follow the selected path. In Feature, the Component Navigator selects the composite curve here. The spacing is in this part. Adopt the method of quantity and span. Quantity through drawings is 150. The arc length percentage is 100%. Look at the drawings. Click on OK. Click Extrude. Select the curve. Here we select through the navigator. Array Geometric Feature. Stretched distance. Past the drawing. Let's find the size. The height here is 1. Boolean. Choose none. By Extrude, stretch out the tooth profile on the plane. Hide Array Geometric Feature. We found that the two rectangles in the original sketch hasn't been stretched out yet. Stretch it again. Select the boundary curve mode of the region. These two rectangles are also stretched by 1. Select None for Boolean. Get. Then hide the compound curve from the sketch. We have made this ring tooth. Also, let's make teeth in the other two places. Hide the cylinder and the sketch of it. Then straighten. Let's draw the symbol tooth KN95. Click on the sketch to select the default plane. Rotate it to the view position. KN95. This logo tooth is within the square of 30 × 10. Then we need to mark its position. The method of drawing rectangles by 3 dots. To construct a rectangle, dimension length is 30. Width is 10. Look at it again. The angle between this angle and the axis is 45. In this area, it is 135. The center of the rectangle is away from the center axis. The size is here 39.5. Position of height. Select the center and height axis. Is 8. Close. Finish sketch. We need to draw KN95 in this box. Click Curve toolbar. Find the text. Select the curve in the type. Select Curve. Select the top line. In the vertical orientation method here, select Vector mode. Specify vector. Select the vertical line text attribute. We write here text attribute KN95. Reverse the character direction at the bottom. Select a glyph similar to KN95. Find Microsoft Yahoo. KN95. We use capital. Finish. Hide the sketch inside. By Extrude, select the connecting curve. Extrude 1 to get this tooth profile, and then hide this text. The first part is going to end here. In this class, we have finished tooth roller modeling tasks in Part 1. Have you learned? Please answer the following questions. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you.